Flores Chica Donay Pangilinan ayaw ma-heartbroken sa relasyon nila ni Belle. Sad niya, I can't afford to spend years in a relationship that would left me heartbroken. I want to build a life, to grow and to reach my dreams with someone who chooses me every day, and that's Belle Mariano. I crave commitment and peace. Because the love should feel like support, not another battle. So, I'm done with heartbreak. If you can't commit, then please don't disturb my peace.